Visiting old school first time. Kukundu Adventist College. And base blow boss lo here too. Got gang him. Walk across a new bridge there. No new bridge there. Boss. Every people come register now. Looking go everyone lo there. Everyone lo there. Hey, my fellow student lo there. Come register him. Green carpet stroll. Form 5 classroom. Man, not a painting bike, no man.
Changing roof.
Yeah, changing roof too. All classroom belum ini loh dia. Where? Oh, Form 5B ya. Maths Business Department. Form 5A. Hey. All classroom. My position is somewhere here. Here. Around here. Backbenchers. Konana ba? Backbenchers. Every time sisidan mas lo behind na ba? Kukudu Adventist College. What a campus. Yeah man. This parang look different to mas na man. July 3 to 5. Everyone buying jet lo there him. So this year's gonna be a mini reunion for Kukundu Adventist College. That's the chapel. So expect everybody to crammed up inside that chapel. Okay.
6 months, 142,000.
You mean what na 142,000 ya? Cost?
No.
Renovating dome. Boys dormitory. Where? This one?
Last post there.
This used to be my dorm. 1, 2, 3. Tapi form 4 lah, stay. Yeah.
Form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Narsai dia. Form 6 lo here. So form 6 dormitory. This one. So we have form 6 dormitory. So this wasn't here when we were a student at KSC. How many years ago ba? Yeah, 15 years ago, yeah man. So 15 years ago, this wasn't
plus 3 man.
Dom 5 ya, out form what? Form yeah.
Dom 1
Oh yeah, Dom 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah, Dom 1. So this one usually form 5 na lem. Yeah.
Form 3 and 2. Yeah, form 5 and 2 tu ya tanjung. Down to.
This one place for people for beach soccer na. Beach soccer spot. And this place here, they used to have like avocado trees out here.
No more.
Yeah man. This end here. 1, 2 or 3 or same. But now they cut those down. As you can see, this place is like bare, but you have other plants towards the end of the campus. The nuts are still here. famous ngali nuts.
The
Famous road to Hambere and Hawaii Beach. Boy, brings back memories of picking nuts under those trees, nut trees, and also coconut. When students go hungry, just come here, pick nuts.
Some of the boys will climb up nuts.
Yeah, climb those nuts. And coconuts, they are. On Fridays, you'll see like students coming out and climb those coconuts for weekend. Hey boy, too good na. Stroller. Those are the coconut and nut groves. And that road leads to the village called Hambere. Yeah, so. And last time this bell was used to be there, at the side of the chapel. This time bell lo. Yeah, no. This one na. Minusa what na this one this time. What building for what there? So I think the house there used to be the chaplain's house, yeah. Form 6 classroom. When we were here 14-15 years ago, those palms are still like small, no man. Somewhat big na, and those candle trees, they were planted after us, I think, or during our school, like 2010, 14 years ago. Form 6 classroom.
The old staff house here, I think.
Yeah. Tami follow ya, Precepta na used to stay this side, yeah. This house here, Precepta. Now there's a new house. And loya mah jackfruit na stay loya. Tingim loya. Oh, a small one ya. True. Oh, so ifa Precepta lo deh tami pala. Okay. Okay, tami fa kami auto move house ya mi fa move. Yeah, then Precepta na kan stay na loya. Industrial Arts, that building. So library na lo middle lo there. Library and admin building in the front. So this is one of the classrooms, one of the Form 2 classrooms, this one, Form 2C, that building. So this building, if you look, if you have like a top view, it looks like what, pentagon or hexagon or something like that. And so some place para those students need to clean up, yeah. Science lab, that yellow and blue building there, and those in the front are the main classrooms, Form 2 to 5. In the front of the campus is there. This is the trail to the dining hall. So those are ancillary staff houses, and that one there as well.
Yeah.
So from the boys' dorm, they access this path to the dining hall. So see that building over there, that's the dining hall. Nostalgia. Brings back good memories from 14-15 years ago, or like 17 years ago. Here 17 years ago for him, on this campus. 2007, yeah? His last year or final year here. I was 3 years after him, so 2010. So that's 14 years. Whoo! Kukudo Adventist College dining hall. So this dining hall, it's multifunctional. They use it for, like other schools, they normally use it for like social night or like graduation ceremony. They used to have it here for like feasting and all, and social night programs. So that one him go bike for road for Golobusna. Oh, this tough house. This place, there's major changes here over the years. This view still looks the same, apart from those paintings. This road is the famous back road. No?
Yeah.
There's a 10 over there, goes to the other side of the campus at the end. So guys, just want to show you about this place we're heading to now. The bakery
house.
and the kitchen, yeah?
Yep.
You go look first time the kitchen, yeah? For what?
Yeah, for dining. Because missing during time when we some almost 20 years ago.
No matter far away you stop boys do mo same you hear no bell cry, yeah?
You will have to come here.
Yeah. So you can see there's some students there. Otarenim kakai for evening. And na inside blue kitchen, yeah. Hello. Lakluluk no ma. This one na used to be storage na every kakai lo here na. And lo here look him steam pot lo there. There's eggplant. Boy, no miss na this one.
Nowadays,
Eggplant, yeah.
nothing changed.
That's pot.
Simple na.
Boy. And lo here, na out gulo dining hall na. Bara girls dom na deto ane hem no clear good but hem. Then go same, ito na duplex. Yeah, this is some house. Used to be house below principal na. But you know saya still principal lo there or but yeah. Ito na single girls duplex, yeah. Used to be, I don't know now, but that used to be single girls duplex. And that one used to be house below Metron. This one here, and normally the dorm block form 6 ba, form 6 girls.
Yeah.
I mean time lo mi fal na. I don't know about others, but used to be form 6 girls dorm. This is the old road here to the beach, and the rain trees here are gone. The rain trees. Those rain trees are like the landmark for KAC, but now they are cleared. See, those are stumps. Hemna every rain tree na out here. Yeah, what that thing blue? Let's look bare, yeah. Yeah. Look at him. This one huge stump na here.
Plant for planting bike somewhere.
Yeah. Also planted say tree more for keeping bike area for kind. And board for KAC na this one. Let's see. What not writing here? Mission, vision, goal, purpose. Presented by Form 6. Oh, so this is a new one. Last year. Oh, that's good to have this given to the school. So when we were here, we presented one of the jetty over there, but I think him break down na for the school. Oh, what no there? Market house? Oh, that's the market house over there. This is Piongo, they call it. You hero. Happy New Year.
No problem.
Sit. Come look a little bit now.
Come look.
You man. Happy New Year. Sit.
You like you come back. Yeah. You like you.
Bosela kam register so mita kam.
You want this?
Usually I'm here, but now it's going up further, like they built it up because of the sea level rise and destroy them. So they are moving it like upstream. They move it upstream. Yeah, should see wall no yeah man. I'm level TP. So now we are heading back. Good stroll, yeah.
Very nice.
Thanks for our skipper. I'm waiting Ifala. Move a little bit round a little bit. Then go back. True na man. This rain tree when we were here 15 years ago, him still stand up. Now it's, yeah, it fell over now due to the sea level rise keep on coming in. It eats away the shore coastline. So that one now, I'm na headquarter side. The headquarter western sub office for the Seventh-day Adventist Church. That's the campus on that side. The clinic is over there towards the far end of the area. So Gizo that direction. Go up straight to Sem, go to Gizo na. Nah. Okay, hero for the nation. Set. That ends our small tour of KAC campus. Next time we'll get a clear view when we come here for the what? Mini reunion, July 3rd to 5th this year. Bye bye for now. Going back to Gizo.